PAUCHON is a premium household detergent brand. We have dishwasher detergent, dishwashing liquid, bathroom cleaner, fabric spray, hand wash, and so on. We have premium detergents for pets as well. We have PAUCHON deodorant for pets that launched in 2020 and has been sold more than 350,000 units. Our new product, the GGH series, launched this April and has caught many customers' eye. PAUCHON deodorant for pets is very popular on Coupang, which is one of the biggest shopping platforms in Korea. PAUCHON deodorant for pets has 4 scents. Sweet Nap has a sweet and soft scent. Forest Walk has a photoncid scent. Clean Breeze has a fresh aquatic scent. We also have Scent Free that has no fragrance. It is especially recommended for cats and customers who don't like scented products. PAUCHON deodorant for pets has 4 sizes. 60 milliliters is a portable size container. You can put it in your bag. The 500 milliliters is a regular spray container, and 2.5 liters for a refill, and bulk size 13 liters can be used in the multi-cat and multi-dog family. Also, used in a veterinary clinic's pet grooming shops, and any places with pets. It is made of premium base ingredients which are all EWG green level. It has baking soda, so it has very strong deodorization. It can be used for a dog wee-wee pad, pet clothes, cushion, blanket, carpet, curtain, bedding, and so on. GGH series consists of laundry detergent, poop stain cleaner, and deodorizer. You can also buy single items and a gift set that has all of the 3 products. GGH laundry detergent is made of EWG green grade ingredients. Dogs and cats have thinner skin than humans. So, we use premium ingredients to reduce irritation to pets and also increase cleaning power at the same time. It can be used when washing laundry by hand or used with washing machines. You can also wash pet clothes, toys, blankets, and much more. Poop stain cleaner removes the marks of feces and urine and bad odors. Because of dogs' heightened sense of smell, they tend to urinate in the same spot because of residual smells. This product is certified for cleaning contaminants while also deodorizing. And for the last, GGH deodorizer is made of mild ingredients and yet powerfully removes bad smells while adding a mild floral scent. These 3 items can be purchased as a gift set at a reasonable price, but also you can buy each single item. All-in-one powder is a dishwasher detergent. Having rinse capabilities, you don't need to use other rinsing product. The ingredients are completely safe, so you are able to use this cleaning product on baby bottles and fruits. Zero Cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner with safe ingredients. With strong cleaning powers, it can be used in many places, including ovens, gas ranges, wall tiles, cookers, sinks, and bathrooms. Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiries, please leave a comment below or send us an email.